What's going on, y'all? Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Hey, bringing you another one today. Just got this one into the shop. 1967 Shelby GT500. As you can see, Wimbledon White, Blue LeMans Stripes, GT500 stripe down the side. Original 10-spoke car. Beautiful Wimbledon White paint on this one. As you can see down the side, great gaps. This car right here is number 3139. Originally an automatic, converted to a 4-speed. We all like driving 4-speeds. 49,000 original miles on this one. As you can see, Shelby signed, the bezel on the side, passenger side. Nice interior on this one. Does come with Elite Marty report and the SRG report, Shelby Research Group, done by Brian Stiles. It's a great report. And Brian's kind enough to do them for free. So if you do have a 67 Shelby, reach out to Brian. Get one of those. They got great information on them. As you can see, great body gaps. Paint is extremely nice all the way around this one. Very original body on this one. Nice little touch with the 67 plate by me. Paint on both sides, just absolutely beautiful. Wimbledon White's kind of one of those iconic Shelby colors, especially with the blue LeMans stripes. You just love seeing it. On the bottom side, you can see the correct Red Oxide with some oversprays. Transverse muffler. Restoration was done a few years ago, but still stands the test of time. Looks pretty good today. Let's pop the hood and you guys can kind of see under there a little bit. Outboard car. This is a later car. Again, this is 3139. I did remove a rivet so I could see the original Ford number under there. The Z does precede the VIN number on this one, as it is a later car. This does have the iconic louvered hood, which is one of the greatest hoods, you know, really ever made in the muscle car era, in my opinion. So pretty nice under the hood. A little bit of detailing, and you got a top-notch car here. Let's get in it, fire it up. I'll let you guys hear it run, because this one runs strong. Really nice running car. All gauges work. Oh. Get to the back. Transverse muffler, got a nice sound to it. Get under the hood, I'll rev it up a few times. Shelby's got the dual quads, so I'll get them both working here. As you can see, it comes down in idle very nicely. Here she is, 3139, 1967 Shelby GT500. Another one brought to you guys by Nate's Classic Cars.